This is your machine, the locust loop. It's like this. Our material is 50% brown rice and 50% white rice. This is material. If we change the setting a little bit, this one is inside the PCB. The turn to left. We can expect more popping like this, and so looks different, more popping. So if you want this one left one, and you can change the inside the bolt just to the right side to the max. And this one is a normal popping. Thank you.